A lot of times, I end up talking to my customers about their website updates. The first thing to define though is what are we really talking about? They say, how does my website get updated or who updates my website? So let's clarify what that really means. There's two separate sections. There's the software updates, maintaining the WordPress core, the plugins, even down at the server level, all that stuff that makes servers run. That's maintenance. So that's software maintenance, but gets referred to as updates. On the other side, there's your content. And that's you saying, I changed the hours, or I want to release a new service or a product or post a new blog post. And those also get referred to as updates. So for what it's worth, a common language is software maintenance versus content changes.